How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Cocktail Hammer. So my name's Jedian.
I'm Julian.
And today we're going to be making the drink. What are we going to be making?
We're going to be making the White Lady.
Awesome. So what goes in a White Lady?
Okay, you're going to want lemon juice, you're going to want gin as your base spirit, you're going to want triple sec, and you're going to want an egg white. Yeah, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get the lemon juice inside of your shaker.
All right, how many ounces of lemon juice?
0.50 ounces.
So half an ounce of lemon juice for those who are a little bit mathematically inclined like myself.
Here's our jigger.
All right, so what I like to do is use one of these funnels, and I like to use it right over one of the jiggers that has the measurements that I'm looking for. So we're looking for half an ounce, so I'm gonna flip this over. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze this right over. So take a look at this. I'm getting all of the juice right in there. I'm straining, it's not going anywhere, and it's still catching everything. Just about that much. So yeah, this is just about half an ounce. You can see that right there. So there we go. We're gonna put that right in our shaker. What is our next step?
All right, then you're gonna want 1 ounce of triple sec.
Triple sec, coming right up.
Ideally you want Cointreau, but triple sec works absolutely fine.
Sure. And how many ounces?
You're gonna want 1 ounce.
Gotcha. So 1 ounce of triple sec coming right up. All right, so what do we got next? What's going on next? What do we got?
All right, so we just did our lemon juice. We just did our triple sec. Now we want the gin.
Trust the Gordon's Fisherman was a very common slogan that I heard a lot on the TV. It was from, I guess, Frozen Fish. You know, Gordon's Fish Company or something like that. You know what I'm talking about? No?
No.
Trust the Gordon's Fisherman.
Trust the Gordon's Fisherman.
There it is. So we got all our booze in our shaker. What's the next step?
Okay, you're gonna want egg white in it. Don't mind if I do.
You're gonna take over the egg white?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let that camera see your hands there. Nicely done. Good job.
Perfect.
Awesome. So typically you would put your ice in the shaker first and then put your stuff in there, but what we're gonna do is do a dry shake, right?
Yeah, actually, ideally for stuff using you want to emulsify the egg white, so you typically do a dry shake first.
All right, so let's get to it.
All right. You got this one. I got the next one.
That's it. All right.
All right.
So I did the opposite of what I wanted. All right, here we go.
All right, cool. And I'll do the
ice
shake. Correct. Now you don't need too much ice, just 1 block of ice would do. All right. And shake for 15 seconds, 20 seconds. All right.
Cool.
So now we're gonna strain it.
Fine strain it, of course.
Of course. Whenever you use egg white, you want to use both strainers. You want to use your Hawthorne strainer and your fine mesh. The fine mesh adds that extra level of frothiness that you want. Oh, look at that. Wow.
Oh, that is beautiful. You know what that would look? This would look even better with a flower right on top. Some kind of garnish that would really elevate this.
You know what? Let's do 2 dashes of some sort of bitter. Why don't we do 2 dashes of Hella's aromatic bitters? I think it's going to pair nicely with it.
If you're interested in these bitters, go check out the link in the description. You'll go to our website. You'll be able to check them out. So I strongly recommend you do that. So.
All right, I'm going to do 2.
Okay. Bam, bam. All right, and there you have it, the White Lady. Cheers. There's something so fun about drinking something with the egg whites. It's like nothing else, and there's a lot of people who have never tried a cocktail with an egg white, and it blows my mind. They're missing out on something so awesome because it's fun to drink, and the flavor, it tastes like what's it called? Not whipped cream, but like it tastes like whipped cream. It tastes like something awesome like that. It tastes almost like candy. The gin is really there. You definitely know that you're drinking gin. I wish I had just a little bit of lavender. I mean, this would look so nice with just
like a nice,
a little flower there. That would go great.
All right, guys. Well, If you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe.
All right, guys, take care. Cheers.
Cheers.